Top 3 tips for using Airbnb effectively. If you want to use Airbnb effectively to your benefit, there are many more features and things that you can use, but I'm only going to discuss the top 3. The first is, if you're always looking for a property, make sure to use the advanced search feature. For example, right on the homepage, you can select your current location or exactly where you are. You can turn on your GPS for that, or you can enter a custom location and what kind of property you want to find in those locations. You can add a check-in date and a checkout date that is available. You can add the number of guests like adults, children, infants, or even pets. And after you've done that, you'll be able to just hit the search button to use the advanced search feature. The second is, if you like a property but you're not sure if you could book them now, you can always save this to your wish list by clicking this heart icon right next to a certain property and creating a wish list so that next time you may visit it. And you can also check some of the reviews if you want to. So you can see the reviews, you can see whether they accept advance booking or after payment at the property and so on. The third is, if you are maybe you're trying to host your own property, you can do that as well by going and switching to hosting. And you can always even put your own personal home over here by going to listings and then adding some of the listings over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.